the best salad in the world, super tasty and easy. You have to try to do so. To start our recipe, I will start cutting a cucumber into small slices. This is my favorite salad recipe, it's just delicious. Then I'll chop an onion. Tell me if you have any different salad recipe, I'd love to know. I'm gonna cut an avocado now. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Gladys Guy from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Finally, I will chop a tomato into small pieces. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Now I'm going to transfer the chopped cucumber to a container and fix it. Then the avocado cut, and I will also fix it in the container. Now I'll put the chopped tomatoes. Add the chopped onion. Make this recipe at your house and then come back and tell me what you think. Now 170 grams of tuna. Look how beautiful our recipe is getting. Best of all, you can adapt it by adding ingredients you like best. Finally, the juice of half a lime, a teaspoon of salt, parsley to taste, olive oil to taste, and to finish, I will stir everything very well. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. And our recipe is ready. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. I do it myself every week. My family loves. It has become one of my favorite recipes since I tasted it the first time. It is amazing, because it is easy, fast, healthy, and is delicious. There is no reason for you not to do it in your home. It's perfect for you who diet and want to eat something tasty. This salad is the solution to this problem. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.